Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet to any other place. So for this case we shall be withdrawing the USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet to Binance. So first and foremost, open up your Binance application, and now on your Binance application go to the home page and then click on add funds. When you click on add funds, click on deposit crypto. When you click on deposit crypto, search for USDT. When you click for search USDT, search for the ERC20 network. So this is a network over here. It's the Ethereum network on USDT and it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So click on that, and then after clicking on that, copy this address over here, and then after copying the address, head back to your Trust Wallet. So for this case, this is my Trust Wallet, and for this case I'll just look for USDT. So for the USDT, I'll look for this one here, which is USDT, and on the sides it has Ethereum, because we are withdrawing USDT on the Ethereum blockchain. So click on this one here. So guys, take note, we have USDT, but we have two USDTs. This one is having the Ethereum sign, this one is having the Binance sign. So this is USDT on the Binance Smart Chain network, and this is USDT on the Ethereum Smart Chain network. So you click on this one here because it's the one which represents ERC20. So take an example, you have like 10 USDTs. So click on send. When you click on send, you paste your address over there. When you paste your address over there, you just put in the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so for my case, my balance is insufficient, but after putting in the amount, click on next, and then you'll be able to send or transfer your USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet to any other exchange like Binance. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.